Hello guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, welcome back to my channel with a new video and with a very beautiful design collection. The collection and designs of today's video are unique and beautiful, and all of them are beautifully decorated with a balanced combination of floral embroidery threads. And the beauty and creativity of these patterns is that these hand embroidery patterns are very lightweight. They give a very decent and elegant touch to the wearer, and they are comfortable, flexible, and breathable in the extreme hot weather like summers. As you know, that summer is in its full swing, so at the same time, we want to keep our closet classy and stylish, and at the same time, we want to feel comfortable and breathable in our dresses. So, if you are college going, if you are university student, if you are office going working person, or any type of everyday wear, all of these combinations of beautiful design patterns are absolutely favorable for any type of your requirement. So now let's move back towards our main content and concern that which type of embroidery that you can use for this. So you need only two or three type of materials, like you need embroidery needle, you need an embroidery thread, and you need an embroidery frame or canvas. So these are the three, four prerequisites for making these patterns. Those who are in search of very beautiful design patterns of neckline embroidery for making their already plain shirts, kurti, blouse, kameez in use, and they want to recreate them or recreate their look or make them more stylish and elegant, then this collection is absolutely for you, because the whole entire collection of very beautiful patterns of embroidery is totally made on simple plain fabric, and the fabric you can use for is as per the choice of the wearer and along with the weather conditions suitable. So this is, you can say, a new creative idea that how you can recreate the old look of your shirt, kurti, kameez into a very beautiful new stylish designer type wear. So I hope that the ideas of today's video are catchy and you have got me right. So do try these patterns and share your experiences with us in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have already subscribed, then subscribe for many other devices. Thank you so much for watching.